And here we have Grill Master.
I know you see me on the video. I know you have me on the radio. But you still don't pay me no attention, okay?
Okay.
I'm Chef Homeboy RD, by the way.
Oh yeah. So Chef Homeboy RD is about to throw some of our chicken skin side down on this hot grill. Ready for the skin to sizzle. Yummy. Tequila lime chicken. Last two.
Voila.
Time to get our drinks. On this side of the grill, we have some kebabs. No rice, no carbs today. Just chicken and squash and bell peppers and mushrooms and tomatoes. Yummy. And 2 extra chickens for Christopher that's not tequila lime chicken. Too spicy for him. In 5 minutes, we turn them over. Woo-wee! So we have the Chef Homeboy RD and what's my name? Chris? Just Chris?
Big Chris.
Okay, we're not to do another take. Anyway, I'll cut that out. We're cooking up Saturday night, grilling in the back, and hopefully another delicious meal. 5 minutes in and they were flipped. They are looking and smelling delicious. I was too lazy to put all of these in a kebab. So now I'm just stir frying it next to the barbecue and kebab. Round 2, flippity dip.
Fight.
What?
Street Fighter.
Oh.
Round 2.
Ooh boy. Those are starting to look good. Ooh, that's a good one. Is that Christopher's good one?
Yeah.
Lucky boy. Like a pro, I caved. I started grilling them. I only lost 1 zucchini so far. That's not bad. And what is Chef Homeboy RD up to over here? Flipping them?
Nothing.
Flipping and dipping?
Flipping and dipping and chilling and grilling.
Like a pro. I trust him with my meat. He made the best steaks last week.
bomb.
Yeah. I gained weight from them. I don't think it was steaks. I'm gonna admit, I think it was my potatoes. But cheesy, heavy cream potatoes. Whatever. It was worth it. Busting my ass this week, though. And this is my side for tonight. My quote-unquote carbs for the night. I like it, though. Squash is my favorite. Babe, do I like squash?
Love squash.
What the hell?
Love squash. Squash.
That looks good. Little more.
Most.
Yeah, I forgot right there. The thick piece. That was good. Aw, man down. I think I'm gonna lose another one. I blame the tequila lime sauce.
I blame the tong.
See, you stole my line. But you get credit for it because you did it on camera. No fair. Aw, man. Don't lose it. Okay.
Look at that face.
No! Okay, you can turn it off. We pulled them off the grill and I put them back in here where the sauce is simmering. Hopefully it gets it more delicious. And Grill Master over here pulled everything off. Can you put the light on that, sir? Ooh, man. We like it crispy. It's the skin. The skin needs to be crispy. And we can always peel that off if we don't want it, because look, under it, it's perfection. Because who's the Grill Master?
Chef Homeboy already, baby, in his head.
That's right. I can attest to that after last week. You can grill anything up for me, sir. I'm the kitchen, he's the grill. It's a perfect combination. So this is going to be our attempt at our secret trick we're going to be sharing with everybody, apparently. I got the marinade and I started boiling it. I'm going to cook it down a little bit, and then we're going to put the chicken in there for just a minute or two, just to soak up some of that cooked up marinade. But we're only going to try it on half, just in case it turns out like crap. But I don't think it will, because I'm a genius. So as you can see, the sauce is starting to really cook down. The jalapenos are getting there, it's starting to cook down real good. So we're going to add the chicken back in, sir. There we go. We're only going to do half, like I said, because if this fails, we want a delicious half. So, but hopefully we'll have a delicious half and an extra delicious half. So we'll put these 4 in just for a couple of minutes because they're already cooked through. We're just going to cook them in there for flavor. We'll probably put them in one side 1 minute each, and then we'll be good to go in about a minute. So we're going to flip it on over. Flip, flip, flip a California. That doesn't work quite as well, does it?
No, that was a fail.
Yeah, well, I can't be awesome all the time. He thinks I'm awesome.
See that?
This is the
It's
good
soaking
ones.
up the juices. Look at that.
Juicy, juicy. So we've done a minute on this side as well. The sauce has reduced down significantly, as you can see, as we've had a little 1 minute discussion about it. Circa speech and debate class almost, but the sauce was reduced down because all the liquid evaporated.
Science always wins.
Kitchen science won this time. Reduction. Thickened sauce. The end.
Poopy head.
Delicious looking chicken. And that sauce is going to go on top of the other chicken anyway. I think it's going to be delicious.
You might want to say that again so they understand that clearly.
Anyway.
No, about the sauce.
The sauce is going to be bomb.
Yes, it's going to go on top of the other pieces of chicken.
Okay, we're done. Okay, so what we have here is this half is our chicken that we put back in the sauce as we let the sauce reduce. And this half was just barbecued only. So we're going to do our own personal taste test and see how we're going to cook it next time for perfection. I can't wait for tequila lime chicken tonight. And I'm having a margarita. I've already had one. That's all that's left of it in that cup.